In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Asana task from an email in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to streamline your productivity and keep all your tasks organized seamlessly within the Asana platform. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to the Asana homepage. You can do this by heading directly to the Asana login page via your web browser. Once there, you'll see a simple login area. This is where we'll begin. Next, you need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Asana account, as this will allow you to access your projects and tasks. After you've filled in your email, click on that continue button, which will move you along to the next step in the login process. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, be sure that you use the password you set when creating your Asana account to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your password correctly, press login to proceed. Now you should find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is your hub for all things task related. From here, you want to select a specific project. Just click on the project that you wish to add tasks to, which will open up more options for you. Within your selected project, you'll notice a menu drop down or header drop down. Click on it. This is where you'll find the import option, which you should also click on. Once you've done that, go ahead and select email. This step is crucial as it allows Asana to understand that you'll be creating tasks via email. At this point, you'll be prompted to use a unique email address provided by Asana to send tasks directly to your project. It's a handy feature and incredibly efficient, so make a note of this email address or copy it somewhere safe. Now let's create a task in your My Tasks section via email. Simply send an email to the special Asana email address. You can type the task name in the subject line of the email and any additional task details in the body. By default, when you send an email to this Asana address, it will create a task within the workspace or organization linked to your chosen email in the email forwarding tab. This means every time you need to add something to your task list, you can simply shoot off an email and Asana will do the rest. And there you have it, your Asana project is now ready to receive tasks directly from your email. This method not only saves time but also ensures that your task management is as smooth as possible, keeping you focused on what truly matters. Thanks for joining me today and happy task creating.